If your fitness routine requires strong wrist movements, wrist wraps are a smart investment. The best wrist wraps can improve your CrossFit, bodybuilding, weightlifting, powerlifting, or calisthenics regimen, and most importantly, they can greatly reduce the risk of injury. So what determines which wrist wraps are worth your money? There are many products available to choose best wrist wraps, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wrist wraps from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bear Grips Wrist Wraps. This is the best wrist wraps that I personally use. No more wrist pain while working out at the gym. Crush your workouts by lifting more. Perfect wrist brace for working out and recovery. You can choose between 2 band wrist straps with 2 built-in elastics protectors for wrist support and mobility, or extra strength wrist straps with 4 built-in elastics protectors, the most amount in any wrist straps, giving you maximum wrist protection and muscle output. It has quad stitching, sturdy thumb loop, strong closure, sleek and minimalistic. It takes only one workout to feel the difference. Voted best bench wrist straps. Bear Grips design all of their workout gear based on the feedback from actual users. They create the products from scratch with minimalistic designs that aid in peak performance. Also, they source the highest quality materials, and the great thing about Bear Grips is it takes only one workout to feel the difference. Once you tried them, you will never work out without it. Number 2. Hustle Athletics Wrist Wraps. These wrist wraps are specially designed for high performance, and these beauties are made from a blend of cotton, polyester and elastic. They come in 2 sizes, 12 and 18, with an extra wide and long Velcro strap for comfortable adjustment. The single stitching is made of a premium material, not specified, and they are designed for a wide variety of training needs, like powerlifting, weightlifting, bodybuilding, etc. Although single stitching isn't often recommended, reinforced double or triple stitching is better. This doesn't seem to be a problem for hustle wrist strap users. These wraps come in multiple color options, 6 in total, so you should have no trouble finding a pair that matches the rest of your workout gear. Best of all, the price is right, and Hustle Athletics offers a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product's performance. Number 3. Manimal Wrist Straps. The only wraps without thumb loops for additional support on this list is the pair from Manimal. Even without the thumb wrap feature, these definitely deserve a shout-out. The Manimal wrist straps are designed to last long, even when put under a great deal of stress weight. Made of high-quality materials, details not specified by the manufacturer, the Velcro is high in quality and needs to be adjusted just once at the beginning of your training. These straps are designed for all kinds of fitness needs, like strongman, powerlifting, weightlifting, CrossFit and bodybuilding. Another thing that is noteworthy is that they are easy to wash, even in sink. Just give them a rinse in cold water, that's it. The straps come in just one size, but they're easy to adjust. My main complaint is the price, especially considering they don't have a thumb loop for additional support. Positive side of this product, above standard Velcro quality. Designed for all kinds of workouts. Nicely designed adjustment system. Good looking design. Very easy to wash, just rinse with cold water and sink. Number 4. Stoker Straps. The Stoker straps are great for weightlifting and strength training, and they can be used by both men and women alike. These beauties are made of high-grade nylon materials rather than cotton. According to the manufacturer, this material is built to last and should withstand the most extreme heavy weightlifting. They come in 3 sizes, 18, 24 and 36, so you should have no trouble finding a size that works for you. However, even though it's the smallest size, 18 might be too big for people with small wrists, so you might need to go with a brand that offers 12 wraps instead. Positive side of this product, very durable nylon material. Made for hardcore training. Thumb loop and wrap itself is quite comfortable. Available in 3 different sizes. Great value for money. Number 5. Nordic Lifting Wrist Straps. The wrist straps and lifting straps bundle by Nordic is the last pair to make it to the list, but it's certainly not the least. These particular wraps come in one universal size that should fit anyone. This is backed up by a long Velcro strap, so finding your ideal fit is easy with these wraps. They are meant for women and men alike, and they are not made from heavy-duty cotton, rather than elastic or nylon. According to the manufacturer, these are designed for all kinds of training, including CrossFit, powerlifting, weightlifting and bodybuilding. They're not ideal for Olympic-level weightlifting, and a big reason for that is the single stitching reinforcement. Nordic Lifting offers a 1-year no-hassle guarantee, and these wraps come in 7 different colors. If you're looking for a one-size-fits-all set of wraps and lifting straps for an affordable price, these are definitely worth considering. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.